In this video, I'll show you how to convert USD into USDT in Bybit. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First thing you need to do is open up your Bybit app and log into your account. If you don't already have a Bybit account, I'll drop you a link down below in the description that will get you up to 30,000 USD in deposit and welcome bonuses. Once you're logged into your account, you're going to go right over here into the More tab and tap on it. Once you're on this page, you're going to go right over here under Buy Crypto and tap on Buy Crypto. Once you're on this page, you're going to go right over here and select Buy. And right here, we're going to select the currency. And since we're looking to convert USD into USDT, we'll select USD. If you don't see USD pop up, just tap on the arrow and search for it in the search bar. Tap on USD. And right here, we want to make sure USDT is selected because we want to convert into USDT. If USDT isn't selected, tap on the arrow and search for USDT in the search bar. Tap on it. And now we're simply going to enter the amount of USD that we want to convert into USDT. So if we want to convert 100 USD into USDT, enter the amount here, tap on next. And on this next page, we're going to select your preferred payment method that you want to use to convert USD into USDT. These are the options that show up for me. Your options might be different. For this example, I'll select bank card and tap on and tap down here to continue. Fill out the details on the next page, just like I have here. Tap on the square and tap down here to continue. And on the next page, you're going to confirm your conversion. And that's how to convert USD to USDT on Bybit. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like.